Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And did you know, and I would have showed you, but I blacked it out because I didn't want to show you the address. Did you know that Gilly the monster has his own return address labels? Allison, you are too cute. I call her Sherry because she's so much like Sherry Lewis with lamb chop with Gilly. I love her, I love Gilly, I love her channel, and she sent me something special. A while back, I've met Allison a couple times on Florida trips, and a while back, Darren and I took Allison and Ainsley Rainbow High Doll because this is Allison. I mean, if there were a mini-me, this is it. Yes, she's really that pretty. And I took one and I had her tattoo her with an autograph, and then Gilly also autographed this doll, and she means a lot to me. I haven't even brushed out her hair because I don't want anything to happen to this girl. The boots, the whole bit. Allison she is fantastic. I love her. We text quite often. She and I are both horse owners, equestrians, and we talk a lot about our horses. All right, let me show you. A lot of you already know. Allison contacted me and let me know that this was coming up, and we were talking about it. I said, I'm not going to go buy one. Please pick. I'm going to pay you to pick one up and mail me one with Gilly's autograph. And she laughed and said, you're not paying for it. And I got this in a Happy Mail. God love her. She is the sweetest thing. So Gilly the Monster, our YouTube friend, is in People magazine. You can also see him on the People website. You can go read it there. There's a Smile article that they do each month, and they include him, and here it is. Marna and Darren love Gilly and Allison. Allison, I am going to leave this open and display it in my doll area. I've got to find a place. It'll be near her. I cannot thank you enough. I am so excited about your newfound fame. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.